Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can create this beautiful macrame leaf chain pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I went ahead and attached 4 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now I'm going to find the 2 cords directly in the center and tie them together with a double half hitch knot. I'm going to keep this leading rope headed in the direction down diagonal to the right and tie 3 more double half hitch knots around this cord. I'm going to leave off all 4 cords here on the left right now and focus on these 4 cords here on the right. I'm going to take the cord all the way on the far left, point it down diagonal to the right, and tie 3 more double half hitch knots. Repeat for 1 more row, taking the cord on the far left, pointing it down diagonal to the right, and tying 3 more double half hitch knots. Now we're going to repeat this entire process on the left side. So I'm going to take this cord here kind of in the middle, point it down diagonal and to the left, and tie 3 double half hitch knots with my 3 remaining cords. Repeat this process 2 more times. And this is what it will look like once you have both sides complete. Now I'm going to take my cords from each side and switch places. So what I mean by this is my cord here on the right side is going to come all the way over to the left. My cord here on the left side goes all the way over to the right. And I'm just repeating. Right side moves over to the left, and left side moves over to the right. Just like that. So once I have 2 cords remaining, I'm going to take the other 6 and drape them over my dowel rod just to get them out of my way for now. And then I'm going to take these 2 in the middle, and they're going to swing here together, and we're going to tie a double half hitch knot to connect the sides. Just like that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take this left one out of my way as well. Then I'm going to drop down my right cords, and we're going to tie that line of double half hitch knots. Okay, so you want to make sure you start with the cord farthest to the left for your first double half hitch knot. Just like that. Now I tie 2 more rows of double half hitch knots like I did at the top. Once you have all 3 rows done, we can go ahead and drop down the side here on the left and repeat the exact same process. Now just switch the places of your cords once again. can keep repeating this pattern over and over again until your little leaf chain is as long as you would like. And if you are all done, you can go ahead and just drop your cords down. You can end your project by just leaving the cords as is, or you can tie a little gathering knot here at the bottom to just keep everything gathered together and secure. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.